In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci retracement in TradingView. Let's begin by opening TradingView Supercharts in your browser. Head over to the TradingView Supercharts page, and in this example, we'll be working with the Apple chart on the Nasdaq. Once the page loads, give it a moment for the Apple Inc. chart to fully appear in the main chart area. Now we'll set up a clear chart view to make the analysis easier to follow. Look at the top toolbar and click 1 day if the chart is not already set to the daily interval. This makes sure each candle on the chart represents a full trading day. Next, move down to the bottom range toolbar and click 1Y, which zooms the view out to show 1 year of price history. After that, look over to the left toolbar and click Magnet Mode if it is not already highlighted. Magnet Mode helps your cursor snap precisely to candle prices when drawing. Next, let's select the Fibonacci Retracement tool. Over on the left drawing toolbar, click Fib Retracement. Then move your cursor over the main chart area so you're ready to place the tool. Now we'll draw the retracement on a visible swing. Take a look at the chart and find a clear upward swing. You're looking for a major candle low that came before a strong rise, followed by the next major candle high that marked the top of that move. Once you've identified the swing low, click on it. Then click the candle wick at the swing high in the main chart area to complete the drawing. Pause for a moment when the horizontal Fibonacci levels appear stretching across the chart. Next, let's read the Fibonacci levels that have just been plotted. You will see the two anchor levels, 0 and 1, sitting at the ends of the swing you selected. Between them, you'll also see the retracement levels, especially 0.382, 0.5, and 0.618. These horizontal levels mark areas where traders often watch for a pullback to pause, bounce, or break through the price action. The chart now shows one Fibonacci retracement drawn from the swing low all the way up to the swing high. The horizontal level labels make the main retracement zones clearly visible directly on the TradingView chart, giving you a precise framework for analysis. Congratulations, you successfully applied Fibonacci retracement in TradingView.